Okay, so again, just shake it out. Shake it out. This one is called Shut Up and Dance. Shut up and dance. So let's shake it out so that we can warm up. And today I did bring the cans for us. And for those of you who are in a wheelchair or if you're sitting down, if you, for whatever reason, you can't, you don't have the balance, you can hold on and still do your warm up. Okay, so we can still hold on and do our warm up. I'm just going to straighten my yoga mat for a minute. So, okay, there we go. Alright. Okay, and like I said, just shake it out and get up off the couch, mom and dad, grandma, grandpa, kids. We can always do this together. It's a family thing. Let's do this. And so we're going to do a twist. And so the twist that you're going to be doing, you just twist all the way. So all the way to the left, all the way to the right. And again, for those of you with balance issue, you hold on and you can still, see? You can still get your twist in. And for the other side, you do the same. You hold on to something on the other side to get your twist in. I brought the cans for us today. So for those of you who are not up to weights yet, or if you, for some reason, you can't manage the weight, you have some canned goods in your home. This is a bean and chickpeas. So you just get 2 cans. I didn't have the same of both. So here I am. I brought whatever I could so to help us. I do have my weights. My weights are up to 5 pounds. And so I use my weights. And I found it to be a little bit easier for me when I hold it this way, like closer to the, so that I don't squeeze my fingers. So you can do that if it works for you, or you can hold it in the middle. Whatever works for you. There is no a specific way to just dance. No specific way to dance. Just dance. Just move that body, okay? It's not power exercise. For those of you who always think, oh, the only thing out there is power exercise. No, I'm here to tell you, I'm here for you. And when I told my friends what I was doing, they asked me to put it in the video because so many other people could probably use this, right? And so here we are. We're all dancing together, my friends and everybody. I'm just going to start the music again, so at least we have some music to dance to. So there we go. There we go. Okay. And so shoulders back, coming in, and let's just move. Let's just move. When we're walking, when they're telling you to do that 20 minutes per day, there's no power to it. Yes, we do power walk for those of us who can. But for other people, I go to the park all the time to walk, and people are just walking, but they're moving. They're not sitting down. The animals don't sit down all day, they move, right? So we can't just eat and just sit there. We have to move. Let's move, please. Just shut up and dance. Shut up and dance. Shoulders back. Shoulders back and do that twist that I taught you. If you can't do it so as high as I can, you do it however you can. Just kick, just move, just move. And for the arms, that's exercise. Let's just move. Shut up and dance. Just shut up and dance. Just reach, reach. Just reach. Reach and breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Just do your breathing, please. Yes, kids, I did say to put the cell phone down. Please put it down. I can see you. I can see you. Come, let's move. Let's dance. Where is that twist? Here it is. This feels so good. It's going to give me so much energy for the day that I have ahead of me. I get my energy boost. And then I go outside and conquer. This is a great day. This is such a great day that God has made. Let's just praise to the highest being, as we are all connected and we are all part of that being. I can see you, I can feel you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And this one is called Shut Up and Dance. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching.